Today in the Twan kitchen, I have Dungeness crab. Yes, they're in season. You can actually boil them in Cajun seasoning, or you can steam them just like the Merlin way. You know I love some good Merlin blue crabs. But listen, Dungeness crabs are in season. I'm going to show you how I make it. They're nice and meaty, and they're so good. Now, first off, folks, where to get it? I go to H Mart. They're always fresh, as you can see here. Now, I grabbed about 4 Dungeness crabs. They range from about $9.99 a pound all the way up to $12.99 a pound when they're in season. Now, folks, I like to put my Dungeness crabs in the freezer just for a bit to shock them because I'm going to be handling the Dungeness crab. I'm going to rinse them off and I'm going to clean them before I cook. So it's important to give them a good shock before you cook the crab. But I just want to show you the size of these Dungeness crabs. You want to make sure they're nice and alive. These are huge crabs. Now I give the crab a good scrub. Again, you don't have to do too much, just a good rinse and scrub just to get any additional dirt off of the crabs. And the crabs should look clean just like that. Now look folks, look at this Dungeness crab, it's perfect. Be careful because they do move a lot. So again, I highly recommend you shock them, put them in a freezer or put them on ice. Now to prepare the Dungeness crab, I'm using Louisiana crawfish, shrimp, and crab boil brine. Now listen, dump it into a pot filled with water. Now you need enough water to cover your crabs. I have 2 crabs I'm going to boil, so just enough for 2 crabs. Now you want to make sure you mix the seasoning in. You want to put this on about medium to high heat so that way the water comes to a nice rolling boil. All right. Now again, make sure the crabs are shocked. You want to cook them humanely. All right. Now add them into that rolling boil and close the lid and listen. 15 to 20 minutes is all you need until the Dungeness crab is a nice bright orange color. That's how you know your Dungeness crab is finished. You don't want to overcook the crab. 15 to 20 minutes until it's bright orange. That's all you need. Look at that. A perfectly cooked Dungeness crab, and it's so large. Look at that. I can't wait to dive into this crab. Now folks, take them out and use a wire rack. Allow the water, the excess water, to drain off of the crab. So simple. Now once I do that, I'm going to show y'all how I do the steamed crab. It's so easy. I want to show y'all that you can cook the crabs and prepare them 2 different ways. It's up to preference. And they cook perfectly. 15 to 20 minutes for your Dungeness crabs. Opening Dungeness crab is pretty simple. If you're a crab eater, you should know how to open crabs. But of course, if you don't, I'm going to show you how I open my Dungeness crab. Is the same way how I open my Merlin steamed blue crabs. And yes, folks, I keep all of that head butter. You can actually put some rice in there, but that will be for another recipe at another time. But I go ahead and I scoop everything out the middle. I save it and I put it right in the head. And again, I add some rice to that. Sometimes I add some pasta to it. The head butter is amazing. Always take the gills off. I never eat the gills. Take any extra shells off. Folks, it's so simple. Now we're going to go ahead and crack this bad boy open. It's so heavy. It's so meaty. I'm telling you, this is a runner up to the Merlin blue crab. I love Merlin blue crab. I was born on it. But these Dungeness crab, woo, when they're in season, they're definitely in season. It's so good. Now and again, keep that head butter. It's so worth it. It's so good. Now look at that. A nice meaty Dungeness crab. Dungeness crab is sweet immediately, not salty, not overpowering, just clean, buttery crab flavor. This is a West Coast crab done right. And let me tell you something, it's a definite runner up to my Merlin blue crab. I will say that boiled Dungeness crab with that Cajun seasoning has a nice kick to it. You can really taste it in the meat. So I think y'all may actually like the boiled one with the Cajun seasoning. Ooh. I know, I'm probably irritating y'all with that sucking and slurping. If you made it this far in the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more recipes from Twan. Now we're going to steam the remaining 2 Dungeness crab. You will need a steam pot with a tray. Allow the water to come to a boil to create that steam effect. You want to steam the Dungeness crabs for about 15 to 20 minutes until they're bright orange. Listen, that's all you need. And remember, you mainly prepare these crabs by shocking them before steaming or boiling the crabs. Look, bright orange Dungeness crabs. 15 to 20 minutes, that's all you need. And these Dungeness crabs look amazing. Now listen, we didn't add no additional seasoning, nothing to the water, just plain old steaming the crab, okay? And then we have our steamed Dungeness crab, and we're going to give them a taste test. Come on. To open the crab, start from the belly side and lift this little flap right there. Once that's open, grab the shell and pull the top straight off. That removes the head and the shell in one motion. Then clean out the inside, break the crab in half, and now you're ready to crack the legs. It's so easy, it's so simple. And listen, if you're a follower of my channel, you know I'm a seafood lover, and I'm always going to walk y'all through it, just like y'all never been here before. But that's just the Easter Twan way. Remember, I like to keep the head butter just like that. Now remove the gills and the extra shells. Again, I keep everything in the middle. We call it mustard, but Google what it really is. But folks, there you have it. Now listen, this is my Merlin blue crab. You see the comparison? It's a stark difference. But listen, I'm always open to try something different and new. Take that off. Look at that. The meat has a nice taste to it. Remember, this is steamed, so with no seasoning. It's sweet. The meat is sweet. As you can see, look at that. Look at that. And once again, forgive me, y'all. All the sucking and slurping on the crab meat is amazing. But let me know, would you like the boiled Dungeness crab, or would you prefer the Dungeness crab to be steamed? Either way, I think you guys will like Dungeness crab. If you're a seafood lover, I recommend giving it a try. It is in season in California. Listen, I'm Easter Twan. Thank y'all for watching this video. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel for more recipes from Easter Twan.